if you talk to someone like this, they will never be able to forget you, no matter how hard they try. You see, it's not about the words you use. It's all about the delivery and how it makes an impact. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to plant your presence deep in anyone's mind just by changing the way you speak. First, when you speak slowly, clearly, and use little micropauses, the person listening starts to decode every single line. Slow speech is a powerful signal of dominance, and dominance is always memorable. Second, when you finish a sentence, look them straight in the eye, right at the very end. The brain stores that moment 3 times more effectively. It's a pattern they can't consciously ignore. Eye contact plus controlled words creates a powerful mind imprint. And finally, the most dangerous one, when you say something important with zero emotion. No smile, no anger, just calm, steady confidence. The other person is then forced to create the emotion inside themselves, and an emotion they feel on their own. They never forget that. Thanks for watching.